Chapter 4 Pending Orders Practice. In this module, we will show you how to place a pending order on the MT4 platform. We start by opening an order window by double-clicking a symbol, which in our example is the Euro-US dollar. The order window will pop up. In the Type option box, first you need to change Market Execution for Pending Order. Now a new section is displayed, with 4 options in the Type box. We will start with the Buy Stop option. All buy orders need to be opened at the ask price and closed at the bid price, and at a certain distance from the price now, that is, at the higher or lower future price. With Buy Stop orders, you should place the price higher than the ask price now. For example, with the Euro-US dollar pair, the future ask price must be set at least 4 pips higher than the ask price now. So now we will set the price around 20 pips over the ask price now. You can also set the expiry date and the time period in which the pending order would be valid. This means that if the price now reaches the value of the future price set for this particular time frame, the order will be activated automatically. If the time expires without the price reaching this level, the order will be automatically deleted. If you do not place any expiry date, your pending order remains valid without an expiry date. You can also include the stop loss and take profit options for this type of order, and we explain more details about this in our next module. After you enter the new price, click Place. To make a profit on this type of order, remember that the closing bid price needs to be higher than the future opening ask price. Once you place the pending order successfully, it will appear below the Account Trade tab and the Account Status row. If the distance between the price now and the future price decreases to 10 pips or less, the pending order price box will turn green. Once it reaches exactly the same value, the pending order will get activated. This means that Buy Stop and Buy Limit will change to Buy, while Sell Stop and Sell Limit will change to Sell. If you happen to have chosen the wrong type of pending order, or you fail to include the correct value of the stop limit level, the error Invalid Stop Loss or Take Profit will appear. You will receive the same error message about all other mistakes. In the case of sell limit orders, the price needs to be placed higher than the bid price now. For the Great Britain pound-US dollar pair in our example, the future bid price must be set at least 5.2 pips higher than the bid price now. We will set the price around 10 pips over the current bid price. To make a profit on this type of order, the closing ask price needs to be lower than the future opening bid price. For buy limit orders, you need to set the price lower than the ask price now. In our example, the future ask price for the US dollar-Japanese yen pair must be set at least 4 pips lower than the ask price now. We will set the price around 10 pips over the current ask price. To make a profit on this type of order, the closing bid price should be higher than future opening ask price. The fourth pending order type is Sell Stop. For this order type, you need to place the price lower than the bid price now. In our example, the future bid price for gold must be set to at least 100 pips, that is, lower than the bid price now. So we will set the price around 150 pips lower than the bid price now. To make a profit on this type of order, the closing ask price should be lower than the opening future bid price. Thank you for watching.